Hello folks, you know me by now. Got a treat for you guys today. Some real rare ones for you, so follow me. I can see the nest where this critters is, but if I go as me, I may just frighten them. So just bear with me when I get into my disguise. Turkey head's back. Follow me. I can spot the nest. This is the daddy. What a beaut. He looks menacing, but trust me. Soft as grease. Soft as grease here. I'm putting him back because it's the mummy I want to show you. So I'm going to place that one there. Now, the mummy just down here. Oh, don't she sing lovely? Oh. Do you know? I think she's just popped a little baby. Hold on. This way. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, let me just help you with that. Oh. Look at this. Isn't that just the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh, she is a real beaut. But I'm not going to leave them. I'm not going to leave them. Pester them too long, I should say, because they're very delicate, very fragile, and very rare creatures. So I'm going to make sure these people get a nice, safe environment to live in, and then just pop back every now and then, come and have a look at them, eh? Alright, let me just put you back with your mummy. Mwah. There we go, you stay with your mum. Look at them. Oh. Right then folks, told you, Uncle D always has the exclusive, just for you people. What I'm going to do now, head off back to Dillygaff Farm, but I will be checking on these guys from time to time. Let's head off back. Laters. Bye for now.